Okay, 2009 Chevy Malibu. Alright, this is where it is. So I'm gonna try to get it, taking that bolt out. Uh, 13mm with a swivel. Whoa. Alright. The bolt's way up there. It's hard to see, but just go right underneath. Pretty easy to get to. Alright, now we want to support the gas tank. Gas tank supported. This is one of these. This one. Alright. I'll unplug this. I'm gonna leave the gas tank because that one is extremely hard to get off. Alright, got that done. Right, we got, so you can see. Push it and pull. Alright. Alright. Let's get tickets up here. Sprayed them. Alright. One, two, three. Alright. Let's just lay down. Okay. Over this. Everything might be good. Clipped it. Way. Take it down a little more. Put this into here. And I'm getting this off. There it goes. Alright. I wanted to show you guys, make sure you check the connections. So as you can see, give a light. This is the old one. It's got a little hoop. Right. It's the new one. It's a square. So you're gonna need an adapter. So even though this came from GM, it's not right. The adapter is like $70. So make sure you double check that.